So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here these two questions to answer on the topic basic ecological concepts. And guys, this video will be about life cycles. So in short, stay to the end of this video. Here we are going to start with the first question. Here it says, the diagram below is an illustration of life cycle of an insect. Study it and answer questions 19 and 20. The larva is also known as A. Caterpillar, B. Nymph, C. Maggot, D. Chrysalis. So guys, the actual answer to this question is option A, and that's caterpillar. And that's it for that question. So let's consider the next question and the last. That's question number 2. It says, the adult insect in this life cycle is A. Butterfly, B. Housefly, C. Cockroach, D. Mosquito. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's butterfly. So the butterfly actually is the adult whose larva and pupa are wrapped in a silk. So guys, that's it for this question guys, and this is where we end this video for today. So guys, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community, where we'll post major updates on WAEC examination. So we encourage you to do that by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. So thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.